Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. How many of you guys knew that Jerome Powell is going to be speaking in front of the U.S. Senate on Wednesday, right at market open, which is at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. And then on Thursday, he's going to be speaking in front of the U.S. House of Representatives. And this is going to be at 10 a.m. Eastern time. So it's 30 minutes right after the market opens. I always feel like I am determining my time based off of normal market hours and when it opens. But one of the things that I quickly wanted to update you guys on is, a question that a lot of people are asking is, where is the market, right? Are we going to open up in the green? Are we going to open up in the red? It looks like based off of the trading futures and how it was able to start on Sunday, that we're definitely in the green as of right now. 1.1% for the NASDAQ market, which means that it should be a 3% jump for TQQQ, which is a step in the right direction. We can see TQQQ right on over here on Thursday alone had a 3.7% day. This is great news for your overall tech stocks. But one of the simple little statistics that I wanted to share with you guys is based off of what we've experienced from the NASDAQ this year. I want to see a show of hands. How many of you guys have thought this year has been challenging? Well, for those that are not aware, please do your own due diligence. This start for the NASDAQ market has been the worst start for the NASDAQ market in the history of the index. Not just in the past 50 years like the S&P 500, but in the history of the index, right? This is why I try to preach and I try to remind you that, yes, times like this are very challenging. It's very difficult to see the light at the end of the tunnel, but it's the conditions that you really test and challenge yourself with today that can really benefit your future self, right? Because if you can see the light at the end of the tunnel, even with these current market conditions, just imagine how much easier the market's going to feel when we're back into that bull market. It's definitely going to take time, but I feel like that's what's really motivated me to understand that, we don't need to force trades right now. We don't need to be scared. There's just nothing wrong with, being selective as the markets continue to show how uncertain things are as of right now. And with that being said, again, I wanted to show you guys this. I will be live streaming this if you're part of my Learn Plan Profit group. If you're not yet already, take 1 minute, click the first link down below and learn a little bit more about it. I trade live with them every morning. And on Wednesday, we will be live streaming. Jerome Powell is going to be speaking in front of the U.S. Senate. So again, please make sure that you guys are ready for that, as whatever it is that he does say, even just leading up to it, we tend to see that almost when he speaks, he tends to have more influence on the overall stock market than even when President Biden speaks. And then on Thursday at 10 a.m., just like I said, Eastern Standard Time, he's going to be speaking in front of the House of Representatives. Again, I think it's just important to know. I know some of you guys might be subscribed to my channel. Some of you guys might not. Regardless of if you decide to subscribe or not, I just want to make sure that you are aware of the specific times that news and or something can be said that can influence the market. I know it's not just me that has a lot of money invested in this market, and I think it's in your overall best interest to just look out for yourself, right? So nothing crazy has been said over the weekend. I hope that you guys have been enjoying this 3-day weekend. I know it can't just be me, but I always look forward to Mondays now as I started to trade in the stock market, and I'm sure a lot of you guys are the same. That it's nice to have a 3-day weekend, but I kind of miss not seeing the markets move, or if there was any trade setup that I could have taken advantage of. But again, I think that's the goal to have, right? Is if you feel the same way, the goal should always be to look forward to work, right? There's this quote where do or have a job that you never need a vacation from. And I think, although the stock market does get very, very challenging and sometimes it's very discouraging, I think it speaks volumes when you have this form of excitement to get back to work even after a weekend. So I wish you guys nothing but the best. If you're part of my Learn Plan Profit group, again, I will see you guys tomorrow at market open for our live trading session. Please make sure that you save the dates and the time for Wednesday and Thursday of this week at 9:30 a.m. and at 10 a.m. So you are aware of when Jerome Powell speaks and what exactly is being said that influences the overall market. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that I earned your thumbs up in this video. Please consider subscribing. And again, if you want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, click that first link down below and learn a little bit more about my Learn Plan Profit group. Also, if you have any questions and you don't want to comment down in the comment section, feel free to send me a direct message via Discord. It is for free, and that's that second link down below. I appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.